Hello, boys and girls. Welcome to my new another vlog. Sing tin tisa vlog kanya mga phalajak jinak ti kanya mga sahil phajak. Te mas ta mungjo sahil? Ha? Ene kes po phajak po wana bindol no. Sing mo joton dol kada sing to joto jinak se kanya dol bole ke sing joton no phajak. Tabok sing kanya bagai ko radio phalajak kam ro kholajak. Tarpore hengkan ro te asnai tungdi vlog.
I've got an itch I can't scratch, I'm missing a piece that completes a whole part of me, an open wound scar to see. Everybody come here, gather round, welcome to the freak show, the best in town. What the hell's wrong with me? I don't get along with anybody, honestly. I've been living in my own head, constantly thoughts jumbled round, think I need a new lobotomy. Wait, all these thoughts are too negative. I don't wanna get lost in the sedative. Gotta show them what I got, I'm competitive. You know I'm about to go off, I won't let them win, I'll take a stab. I wanna chase a bag, I wanna weigh, I can change all the things I lack. I gotta face the facts, I got a taste in that. Got me obsessed with the rest, I got an itch to scratch.